Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Water Sign, um, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So, take only what resonates kasi hindi po ito mag-resonate. So, hopefully makarelate ka, makaresonate ka sa reading na ito. Okay, let's start. This is for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. You do over the Four of Wands, the Eight of Cups, Knight of Swords, and the Five of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Cups. Okay. I can see you being stable. Alam mo yun. This is your energy being stable. Pero dahil dito sa mga, and maybe may kinalaman ito sa pagta-travel or may kinalaman sa mabilisang action with the Knight of Swords, medyo ito nagiging problema kung bakit ka nagkakaproblema financially or bakit may mga nawawala sa'yo financially. Yun, with the Five of Pentacles. So, yung iba gastos yun. So, you are stable. Sabihin, don't get me wrong, you're still stable though with the Eight of Cups. Nakikita natin na may future naman yung ginagawa mo. It's just that dito sa mga biglaang travel or mabilis ang action na or mabilis ang desisyon na ginagawa mo ang nagiging dahilan kung bakit ikaw ay nawawalan dito or na uubos kung ano man yung mga naipon mo. With the Four of Cups, I feel like you're not sure about the Seven of Swords. Maybe may kinalaman ito sa love. So, you're not sure about this. So, nakikita natin yung pag-iwas, paglayo mo. Because for now, hindi ka pa decide kung ano talagang gusto mong mangyari regarding dito sa mga taong kumokonect sa'yo. Kung walang kumokonect sa'yo regarding love at all, ano bang gusto mong mangyari regarding that? So, you're not so sure. Especially, ang tingin mo ngayon, you are the world. You have everything. You have everything you want. You don't need someone right now. Or maybe sa ngayon, feeling mo kompleto ka pa. Bakit pa ako maghahanap ng iba na kukompleto sa akin? I don't know if you're single, but your energy is like a single energy. And, yeah. Anyway, you're just trying to protect yourself. Diba? Tinatry mo lang protektahan ang sarili mo, ang puso mo, ang emosyon mo, ang future mo. So, tell me more for water sign. By the way, masyadong marami to. Hindi ko to kukunin. Ito lang, nakahiwalay. Page of Cups is here. Five of Swords. Seven of Swords. Nine of Wands and Two of Swords. Okay, I can see a young energy here with a Page of Cups. Pwedeng bata or maybe may childhood memories kayo or maybe medyo matagal na yung last connection na meron sa inyo. This is with regards to love. Itong person na ito, umiiwas siya, lumalayo siya, nasasaktan siya. I feel like may disconnection sa inyong dalawa pero parang tinatanggap niya ito itong disconnection na nangyayari kasi wala rin naman siya magagawa. Kasi hindi ka makapag-decide kung anong gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo or sa connection ninyo. And this person with the Nine of Wands, I feel like tinatry niyang i-guard yung sarili niya sa'yo. Pero this person is really broken-hearted right now. Maybe there's a third party na involved din kung bakit lumalayo or umiiwas dito. But this person is feeling a lot of emotions and soulmate connection sa inyong dalawa. Okay? And this person is trying na mag-focus sa kanyang money, and this person parang binabawi niya na kung ano man yung mga dating in-offer niya sa'yo. And yun ay dahil hindi mo naman kinuha, hindi mo naman tinake, hindi mo naman inaccept. So, wala siyang magawa kundi accept itong mga pagbabago or mga changes na nangyari sa connection ninyo. But this person is not sure kung may another chance pa sa inyong dalawa. So, that's why sabi ko nga kaya siya umiiwas kasi hindi na siya sure kung may chance pa sa inyong dalawa. Okay? And ano yung mga challenges for you, water sign? Challenges for you is the 7 of Wands, 7 of Pentacles, one more card. You do over the 2 of Cups. So, yun nga, yung relationship or pakikipag-connect, maybe for some of you, if you're single, challenge sa'yo to. Paano makipag-relasyon when you have learned how to work on your own with the 7 of Pentacles. So, if you're single, challenge sa'yo makipag-relasyon kasi maaring nasanay ka na or matagal na kinaya mo naman mag-isa. And or, with the 7 of Wands, matapang ka na ngayon, you're brave, you can handle everything, and the 7 of Pentacles, pwede may flow naman, okay naman ang flow ng money mo, so very challenging sa yung pakikipag-connect or pakikipag-relasyon dahil hindi ka naman naghahanap ng kung sino ngayon. And also, there's the 77, it's like an angel number for you, which is nakikita natin to as a very lucky number. Yan, especially, etong katabi niya is 5 and 2, which is also when you add this up, it's number 7. So, that's an angel number, 777. So, nakikita natin doon yung parang lucky sign for you. So, nakikita natin na masyadong maraming blessings ang dumadating sa'yo. But for some of you, hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin dito, paano i-handle ito. You have to be this person na huwag mo nang isipin masyado ang future. You have to focus on the present moment para mas ma-handle mo ito ng maayos. So, what will happen in the near future for you, water sign? Eight of Pentacles. You're very workaholic, and you do have here the Fool. So, napaka-workaholic mo. Nakikita natin that you would gain a lot of respect dahil doon. And hindi kasi kaya ng mga katrabaho or kasamahan mo igawin kung ano yung mga kaya mong gawin. You are this person in the future with the 10 of Wands na marami kang responsibilidad, marami kang dala-dala. And I feel like there's a lot of pagpipigil in the near future with the 8 of Swords because you have no choice. You have no choice kundi ang magpigil. You do have your Ace of Pentacles. There's a new beginning na naghihintay sa'yo in the near future. And itong new beginning na ito ay pwedeng may kinalaman dito sa Knight of Wands, which is, this could be may kinalaman sa pagta-travel. And I feel like itong priority mo in the near future or papasok sa isipan mo ay may kinalaman sa usaping spiritual. With the Justice card, Libra energy, don't focus on this. You need to focus on reality. Okay? Mag-focus kasi realidad na oo, pinag-usapan natin dito sa ay more on spiritual, etc. Pero wag mo pag-focusan yan. Kung ano man yung mga karanasan mo na may kinalaman sa spiritual, mag-focus ka sa sarili mo. You are the Queen of Swords, so be the Queen of Swords. This is someone na nagfo-focus sa kanyang profession. Okay, career. Okay, this is someone na with a star ay nagfo-focus kung paano maabot yung kanyang pangarap. And this is you. Kaya mong abutin yun eh. Pero yun nga, mag-focus ka muna sa present. Okay, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.